Thank you.
It's a long journey, but I'm feeling good. It's my first time in Kenya. Last year, I think the Jamaica team was here for the World Junior Games, and it was fantastic. So I'm definitely looking forward to have a fantastic race, and of course enjoy the experience here in Kenya. Why not come to Kenya? You guys talk about Kenya being a home of athletics. I definitely wanted to come here and open my season in the 100, and hopefully I'll be able to put together a solid race to start my season. And I'm really looking forward to just executing a good race and hopefully having some fast times.
Fantastic, it's amazing. It's my first time in Africa and in Kenya. I'm really happy to be here. I can't wait to compete. I know the track is really fast. I have a good competition. It's a really good competition, and I can't wait to compete. A really good runner. I hope to compete with him again now. We compete together in the indoor season, but I know it's not the then race. He preferred the 100 and can wait to compete with him.